Okay, so good day, sirs and ma'am. So we will be discussing the OR review template for the first quarter of CY 2024. So let us be reminded of our proper charter statement. So dapat kabisado po natin ito, yung for perspective and the objectives. Sa pro core charter statement ay meron tayong 8 okay, na objectives. Okay, yun yung sa resource management, 2, learning and growth, 2, process excellence, 3 yan. Okay, and sa community, 1. Okay, so we have 8 objectives. Okay, so here is the operational review matrix for the first quarter calendar year 2024. So we should check the objective if it is aligned in our charter statement. We have the primary drivers and the secondary drivers. So in the first column, that is okay, our target. So we should identify our annual target for the calendar year 2024, and i-breakdown po natin yan. So we should identify our first, second, and third and fourth quarter targets. And the second column is the first quarter accomplishment. So if it is attained, it should be color-coded as green. If it is unattained, it should be color-coded as orange. And the variance could be either positive or negative variance. So impact on process of strategic shift. So we should align this on our objective. Okay, so for example, no, objective 6, develop a responsive and highly professional police organization. So dapat tignan din natin para align ito sa objective natin, yung ilalagay natin sa process, okay, on strategic shift. So highly competent personnel. And okay, dahil dashboard ito, sirs and ma'am, i-cross match natin yung OPTA. Okay, that is objective, performance indicator, target, and activities. Okay, and if our objective is attained, yan dapat unattained or unattained. Our performance indicator, if it's still appropriate or inappropriate, our target is exceeded or we have met our target. Okay, and our activities, if it is still effective or not effective. And identification of gaps, okay, or key success factor. Key success factor if we obtain our target. Okay, identification of gaps if we did not attain our targets. And transformative outcome lang dapat yan pag attained, and pag unattained natin, intervention. Okay, on the lower portion is the performance indicator. So ilalagay natin yan and yung ating activity. Okay, activities pag more than 1. Okay, so sa color coding yan, wag po nating kalimutan, no, green, on schedule, or the set target is achieved on time. Okay, orange naman is lagging behind but not needing attention. So dito sa first quarter, mag-orange talaga tayo pag hindi natin attained yon. Because orange color is applicable if we did not meet our target but still achievable within the year. Okay, red naman is usually color code yan at the year-end review because we did not met our target at the end of the year. So for lagging behind targets, the owner should include a short explanation for the performance gap and identify what actions are being taken to address them. So in identifying the performance gap, the measure owners shall ensure to surface the root cause of the problem by using analytical tools, analysis rather than narrating a subjective explanation. That is why in the identification of gaps, sir and ma'am, okay, yung sinasabi dito na tools and analysis, that is okay, through the conduct of SWOT analysis, the conduct of PESTEL analysis, okay, the conduct of tree analysis, okay, or other tools, okay, in the conduct of analysis for the determination of the root cause of the problem. For program budget disbursed ahead of schedule, the owner should include a short explanation for the disbursement gap and identify what actions are being taken to address them. So, well, pag budget ang rason kung bakit hindi natin achieve yung target natin, we should include that. Okay? We should prepare a short explanation. The secretariat should provide, okay, the review committee with all the documents at least 1 week. Okay, so ito po yung aming reference, okay, sirs and ma'am, kung bakit we require, okay, we require to let you submit the operational review matrix 1 week before the scheduled, okay, meeting. So attendees are expected to have read the report and be ready to discuss and answer the questions. Okay, sa pag-cross-match po natin, sirs and ma'am, ng ating OMT. Well, OMT is for scorecard. Pero dahil operational review ito, OPTA. So cross-match the objective, performance indicator, target, and initiative. So ang pag-cross-matching ng OPTA is a way to counter-check the 4 essential components of our dashboard. So cross-matching, okay, cross-match the result accomplishments for a period under review by asking the questions, which are the following. Is the objective being achieved or not? Is the measure still responsive or appropriate? Is the target being attained or not? Is it attainable or not? Yan. Is the initiative still effective? So these are the questions that we will gonna ask in cross-matching the OPTA. So here's an example of the highway patrol, no, strategy review matrix. Yan. So pag yung objective natin, attained natin, okay, so ilalagay natin yan, attained, no? Pag yung ating measure is still appropriate, yan, is still appropriate, target exceeded, and yung initiative or yung activity if it's still effective. Okay, sa strategic shift naman, sirs and ma'am, kung sinabi ba nating strategic shift, what is strategic shift, no? It is a paradigm shift, okay? It is a shift in direction, okay, of any business or strategy performance for the past, okay, for the betterment of the future. It is a fundamental change in approach or underlying assumptions. Okay, kaya pag sinabi nating strategic shift, sirs and ma'am, it is a paradigm, okay, shift. Okay? So example, no, from less competent PNP personnel, okay, naging highly competent PNP personnel. So that is an example on strategic shift. Kaya yun po yung ilalagay natin, no? Highly competent PNP personnel. So we need to conduct an analysis kung ano ba yung naging resulta, okay? Kung ano ba yung naging paradigm shift, okay? So that is an example from less competent, naging highly competent. That is under the objective of develop responsive and highly professional police organization. Okay, sa identification of gaps, okay, or key success factor. Well, pag hindi natin yung target natin, that is identification of gaps. And pag sinabi nga natin gaps, okay, it is a synonymous with the term lapses. Okay, lapses, ito yung shortcomings natin, ito yung failings natin, deficiencies, and weaknesses. They are often identified if performance or actual accomplishment for a period or quarter did not meet, okay, the set target. So gaps is applicable if there is a negative variance. Okay, and in the identification of gaps, okay, pwede nating malocate yan sa human resource, so okay, sa logistical resources, sa financial resources, okay, or in the implementation of methods, systems, and processes. Okay, so during the identification of gaps, it is essential that the gaps come from the objective analysis and not from the subjective opinion. Okay, so sa pag-analyze ng gaps, sirs and ma'am, dapat patas yan. We should be objective and not be subjective. Okay? No matter how good is your opinion, okay, hindi pwedeng applicable. Okay? Thus, it is highly encouraged that the measure owners or the performance indicator owners shall make a careful analysis in determining the gaps. Any problem analysis tool may be used to surface the root cause of the problem. So ito po yung mga examples, no, ng analysis tool. Yung problem tree analysis, okay, the fishbone diagram analysis, okay, yung pestle analysis, okay, SWOT analysis, okay, we can also use the SARA model analysis. Okay, those are examples in the identification of gaps. Okay, key success factor naman, sirs and ma'am. Pag sinabi natin key success factors, these are the underlying reasons for the positive result. they are often identified if the performance for a period met or exceeded the set targets. So key success factors, sirs and ma'am, is applicable if there is a positive variance, meaning to say we've met our targets. Okay, and the same, okay, we can identify the key success factor, or key success factor can be attributed to human resource, okay, to logistical resources, to financial resources, or in the implementation of the method, systems, and processes. So intervention, okay, or next steps or the way forward. No, pag sinabi nating intervention, sirs and ma'am, okay, if we did not meet our target, we have a negative variance, okay, so we will identify the gap. So if we've identified the gap, we answer the question, so what? Okay, so we need to identify, okay, we need to identify our interventions, okay, how to address these gaps. So if we talk about interventions, they are our response or intended solution to ensure that unmet targets for a particular period are rectified. Okay, pag next steps naman, or ito yung way forward natin, okay, articulate what is intended to be done next after attaining the target. So after you've attained your target, so what will be the next step? Okay, this articulate how it is intended to sustain or even exceed our accomplishment. So it answers the question on the sustainability of our programs. Okay, so we have a few reminders, sirs and ma'am, pag gagawin po natin yung ating first quarter if we're gonna prepare the presentation. So ensure that the data is correct. Yan, that is why there should be an interoperability. Yon. Okay, I heard this word from the operation, interoperability, meaning to say it should be a holistic approach. So you need to collaborate with your office mates sa operation, sa PCR, sa admin. Yan. Okay, so cross-match natin para tama yung ating data na pre-present. Okay, ensure that the number of performance indicator is consistent with the dashboard. Kaya kung ang performance indicator mo ay PI number 1, dapat yun din ang number 1 sa dashboard. Okay? Ensure that the perspectives and objectives is consistent with your units, okay? Yan, dashboard. So dapat yung perspective natin, yung 4 perspective, yung objectives natin ay dapat tama. Okay? Naka-align siya sa ating operational review matrix. Okay, so thank you, sirs and ma'am. I hope this very short explanation enlighten you in crafting or in making your operational review matrix. Okay, thank you.